All right, guys, look at this behemoth of a truck. 6.6 liter Chevy 2500 super or heavy duty. Because Ford, they say super duty. Chevy, they say heavy duty. What do you guys prefer, Chevy or Ford, when it comes to heavy, like pulling and all that good stuff for a workhorse? You guys prefer Chevy or Ford? Jared, what do you prefer?
Chevy.
Louder.
Chevys.
Chevys, okay. He says Chevys. Me, honestly, I really don't care as long as it gets the job done. So, anyways, got factory converters there, and a massive third converter there. Then 3.5-inch pipe there. Then we put, look what we did, boys and girls, on this 6.6 beast. Black Widow. VENOM. The king of sound. Black Widow race VENOM. There will be a link in the description for it. Here is a part number. BWSDR 33. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Single to dual. Then we did 2.5-inch out the back. Mandrel bent into some 4-inch tips there and there, black rolled right there. And right there. This is the massive exhaust. You guys can tell it's a big motor when you see this of a massive muffler. Look at that. With 3.5-inch tailpipe. Don't be going, oh, it's too small, 2.5. But we're doing double. So it's 5 inches of flow compared to 3.5 inches of flow before. So you guys can't say nothing. You understand? Anyways, appreciate you guys watching us. Get all that good stuff. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And check out our merch channel. It's in the description. Oh, wow. Yeah, baby. 6.6 liter Black Widow. That sounds really nice. You get on it, it gets a little bit louder. Race VENOM. Hear sound decibels? There you go. Again. Right at 107. He didn't want it too loud, so we made it just clean. That looks good. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Does it need to be louder? I think it sounds perfect. For a work truck, it's perfect. Sorry, it's raining again, guys. It rains a lot here in Tennessee. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. $2,500 workhorse. Look at that. Clean. He bought it because he does construction, he does concrete. So he needs a 6.6 liter.